How's it going, everybody? In here at the lathe again now. I'm try to get that crack there fixed up. I got a piece of 1/2 inch plate here. I don't know how well you can see it, but I got the shape of the casting traced around, and I got the crack marked out. And I got the 3 holes here and 4 on this side. So that's gonna get bolted in here like that. So there'll be 4 holes here and then 3 running down this diagonal here. So I'm gonna drill these holes out now first, and I'm gonna lay it over the casting here, and I'll use this as a template. I'll drill these holes out, and then I'll go back and countersink this plate. I'm going to use, that's the bolts that I'm going to use there. It's 3/8 countersink head bolts. And the reason why I'm using that is because in this void here is your oil tank for the head stack. Just a return there and your pickup line, and another return there. So I got to keep as much protrusion as I can from happening there, so that way the tank will still fit in. There you go. Alright, I got the crack closed up now. I squeezed it down with a C-clamp, so it's on the same level again. And I pulled it together with a come along. So everything's where it's supposed to be, where it used to be. So now we can get the plate laid on and start drilling some holes. Well, that's done. Now if I was lazy, I could just put 3 more bolts in that and call it done, but I do it a bit better than that. Anyways, I'm going to do that a bunch more times. Countersinking the holes here now. I'm using the milling machine just because it spins a little slower than the drill press. If you're wondering how I get centered on the hole, I just eyeball it. In a little bit. Check, make sure it's even. Looks good. This one I gotta keep an eye on, make sure it doesn't cut into that jaw there. Good. Feed all around. Oh, look at empty. There we go, all done. Don't look bad. I sunk these holes a little deeper than you really should. The bolts goes in past flush, but I wanted that because the bar rates, I should have bought a little bit longer of a cap screw, but that's what I got. That's what I'm going to use. They'll be alright. Get this cleaned up now. I'll go in. There you go. Yeah, I probably should have took some time and cut that corner off, trim this, but you're not going to see in here anyway, so it'll be good enough. Now, if this works, I should be able to let this come along go, and the plate not blow off. Oh. she's good. So there you go. It's all back in one piece. What are you doing? You're right in the way, my son. Well, there you go. Another quick project done. I can get the lathe on the ground now anyway. Start leveling up. And once it's down on the ground, I'll put the chock and tailstock and all that back on. I'm leaving it off till the lathe is where it needs to be on the ground. It's just that much less weight for me to deal with the jacking bolts. I'd say the two of that is close to, well, it's around 1,500, 2,000 pounds, somewhere around there, between the chock and the tailstock. So anyways, guys, it's a wrap on that one today. If you liked the video, like it, subscribe if you want to, and have a good one.